Hey, beautiful peeps. It's time. That was terrible. Hey, beautiful peeps. You gotta bear with me. I'm getting a cold or something. I am a little bit nasally and wonky in there. So, you guys did great on the spices. I'm so proud of you. I'm gonna post some pictures from some of you that sent me some images, and you did really good. I'm so proud. You got rid of them. A correction needs to be made. I think I said something about 6 months. It's actually 6 months from when you open it and air gets to it. So that's really all you got. So, but at least throw them away if they're expired and you don't use them anymore. So that's a good job. I heard from several of you. Okay, so now today we're gonna tackle my fridge. Who wants to clean out that fridge? Okay, you know what? A bacteria can grow in there. I'm gonna post some images, maybe some facts about nastiness in fridges. This is just, I learned I just shop once a week. I used to shop I don't like to go to the grocery store. It's annoying. People are annoying, especially where I live. I don't know. Anyway, so I used to go every 3 weeks. It was ridiculous. And then it's just me. The cat has her own special cat food from the vet, and it's expensive. But I would buy all this stuff, and it would go bad. Because you're going to eat the cookies and chips and crap first. So a lot of the fruits and vegetables went bad. The sandwich meat went bad. Sometimes the cheese got moldy. But my mother used to just cut off the mold. Comment below if any of you do that or your mom did that when you it's just mold on your cheese. Just cut it off. Anyway. So I find I buy less and I can manage my inventory better. The fridge isn't packed, the freezer's not packed. I can see what I have so I can use it and eat it before it goes bad. And I don't have to have a cluttered fridge that stresses me out and I just grab whatever, right? So I make myself go at least once a week and I just pick up a few things or maybe meals I want to make or my favorite stuff, Another tip, don't go to the grocery store hungry. That's how the little Debbie incident happened. That's how it started. So don't go hungry. So let's see what I've got in my fridge. You ready? All right, another thing. I gotta get used to doing this on my stand. Okay. Another thing is I need to clean the outside of my fridge, and you really do need to clean out your fridge. I use some warm water, clean rag or sponge, and I use a little bit of Dawn and water, or you can use baking soda, whatever you want to use. I would suggest something that's not toxic because it might touch your food. Okay, so here we go. Also, I do keep baking soda in here open. It says a month. I always do a couple months, and I put one in the freezer. Eliminates odors, okay? Oh, I don't even know what that is. There's a glass of something in here. So see, I'm not always perfect. All right, so it's just, it's kind of, you can't see it. My God, here we go. All right, there we go. It's just a mess because I can't find anything. It's not organized very well. So, and I've got some organizing tools in here. Okay, let's just go. A slob comes clean. She's great. Dana K. White. She says, let's look for stuff that's easy, right? And what can we throw away? Stuff from to go, that's gonna go. All right. This avocado. Another thing, avocados are expensive. I keep them in the drawer, in the fruit drawer, and then I take one out at a time. That way they last longer. You can even put potatoes in here, but this one's shot. It's just squishy. Ugh. Oh, I try to use Pyrex, better for the environment, and it's easy to clean, and you can cook with it, you can microwave it. So this is pizza. Does not look good, does it? It really doesn't look good. I got these 2 thin crusts from Target. Very good. Oh, shut up. The problem is I made both of them at the same time thinking I could take this to lunch. So it got all soggy. So I couldn't even eat it the next day. So then I've just been avoiding it. This was a veggie pizza that I made. So I would suggest if you get those Target brand thin crust pizzas, just make one at a time if it's just you or you're splitting it or whatever, because that's just gross. Trash can! Thank God trash day is soon. Okay, I'm organizing the fridge and actually cleaning it. Yay! Come along with me. Let's do this, Bob. Let's do it. We can take a break if we want. See, I don't know if this tray comes out. Oh, it does. Look at that. All right, I'm gonna wash this. It's got little bits of cheese in it. I don't know if you can see it. Crumbs. I don't know what that is. Ugh, gross. All right, I'm gonna wash it. Hey guys, so I was cleaning out the fridge and I probably did it just a few months ago. And look at how disgusting. It's pretty bad. I found cat hair on this side. How the heck did cat hair get in the fridge? Libby. All right, I'm cleaning with soap and water. And I went to Publix and I'm restocking. And you know what else? I've decided to get rid of the buy one, get one free spicy chicken broth. Does anybody want it? Comment below, because I think it's gonna be too spicy for me. Next shelf. Might as well do this one too, right? Oh, there's some scotch on there. Again, I don't know how cat hair gets in the fridge. What goes on when I'm not home? I'm leaving the broccoli out because I'll see it and then I'll make it, along with this little ripe avocado and the cauliflower and that beef. So that way I'll see it and I'll fix it. Ta-da! Just got those to do. And I'm gonna take those out and scrub them. I'm leaving the broccoli out because I'll see it and then I'll make it, along with this little ripe avocado and the cauliflower and that beef. So that way I'll see it and I'll fix it. Ta-da! Just got those to do. And I'm gonna take those out and scrub them. Another thing, don't forget the top of the fridge. I'm gonna have to get the stepladder to do that. The cat sits up there, so there's cat hair and there's dust. There, what do you think? Could probably shine it up, but it looks pretty good, right? Look at that. Can you see it? Nice. Only thing missing is labels. But clear bins help organize things. There's some potatoes, Potatoes go bad in the pantry, so I heard you could put them in the fridge. What do you guys think? What's best for potatoes? Pyrex, you can see through. Stuff you want to eat. See, I'm trying to make healthier choices, so I put it up front. There we go. Okay. Cleaned inside and out. Now it's time for the freezer. Lord. Okay, easy things first. I got these buy one, get one free. I did make a casserole for a brunch with these, but I'm not gonna eat. You know what it is? They're expired. I think they're, yes, May 9th, 2022. It's trash night. And then here's my fantasy self, where I save fruit. Here's some frozen fruit, okay? That I'm gonna make smoothies with spinach and yogurt and fruit. But since I don't have that much in here, I can keep it. And this is a can of peas, and it's just me here and the cat. And I'm not gonna eat these. These are for my knee and my ankles and feet and whatever I need it for. It's like a $2 ice bag. It's very good. Highly recommend using peas. So that's my ice bag. Again, the mixed berries. Oh, look, one thing of butter. Luckily, we went in here because I almost bought butter today, and butter's expensive, and I like Land O'Lakes, right? Unsalted is good for baking. So I already have butter. And let me tell you what, people, these are so good. I think it's 2 pieces is 100 calories, so I always eat just one. It's a banana with peanut butter and dark chocolate, and they're expensive. I got these at Fresh Market, but oh my gosh. One little frozen treat is so good for 50 calories. It's totally worth it, and you're getting a fruit. I bought the blueberry ones, but I haven't tried these yet. I'll let you know. Those are only, oh, you can eat 10 or 12 pieces for 90 calories. Nice. I just bought these. I'm gonna make mini chicken pot pies. Here's fantasy self too, Brussels sprouts and green beans. But these have been in here a while and they're still good. You know, I'm gonna let these go. This is, I gotta show you these. This, I wanted some sausage, but I wanted to eat healthier, so I bought chicken sausage. And it says you can microwave them. I don't know if I did it too long. It was like a hockey puck. So those are going. I'm gonna trash those. Not to buy again. This was the best thing ever for both my bad knees. And this is good for your back. My neighbor Chris, shout out to Chris, who's a faithful follower here on YouTube, part of my family. It's called Comfy Temp Cold Pack. Comfy Temp Cold Pack. And this is, look, it folds out. You can put it on your back. I put this on my both sets of my knees or both of my Achilles tendons, and it's the best thing ever. So, got the trusty baking soda, impulse buy when you're hungry. Well, we're gonna eat them. Now these are chicken and cheese taquitos. And here's my chicken that I'm gonna make stuff with. Just right now, I'm just looking for things I can throw away. And here's 3 leftover beef taquitos that are delicious. And 3 fill you up with a little guacamole. But my tummy doesn't like them, so they're going. Bye-bye, trash night. All right, so did we get rid of, this is guilt, keeping that. Okay, this bacon. It's not too bad, right? We got fruit. We gotta consolidate the butters, right? How many we got in there? Consolidate the butters, and I'll get it organized, and I'm gonna clean this out too. Just wipe it down with a little Dawn, you know, hot water and a sponge, and wipe it down. And I did the walls too, the walls and inside. And good housekeeping, you know, they've been around 100 million years. They say you should deep clean your fridge every 3 to 6 months because bacteria, nasty bacteria can grow in here. So do it with me, peeps. Come on, we can do this. Let me know how it goes. Send pictures. I'll post some of your spice pictures. They were awesome. All right, so I'll get this cleaned out and give you a photo of what it looks like when it's done and organized so I can find things. If I have too much stuff, I can't find anything and then stuff goes bad or I get overwhelmed. So if you limit it or buy what you're gonna make and then think, you know, I'm gonna try to eat this stuff up before I go shopping again.